Hello guys, this is Lololo. Yeah, you can see my hand is still broken, but today is a special day because I have another keyboard to show you. Yeah, the first time maybe. Because, I said that this keyboard arrived at my home and yeah, I was pretty excited. I did Gale like from the 16th to today is the... Yeah, I don't know what day it is, really. I'm serious actually. What the fuck? I'm getting old, yeah. Anyways, the problem is that this keyboard promised me to have the wired connection too, other than the wireless one or the Bluetooth one. And the problem is that the wireless version is not very responsive. Alright, so I type in, I even formatted the keyboard and everything, but it doesn't really work very well. This keyboard was previously used and they got it from Amazon Marketplace or Amazon Warehouse, yeah, Warehouse. And yeah, it has some issues, so the wired mode doesn't work and the buttons are not very responsive. So I decided to change. So yeah, this one is getting refunded. I simply have to pack it and send it back. And it has red switches. Alright, why red? Because yeah, my old keyboard was too loud and my parents' room is basically next to my bedroom, and for that reason, I decided to go with very quiet switches. Alright. Anyways, I bought the same exact keyboard from Amazon, and this one, yeah, you can see is basically new from the box, and I'm going to make sure it's fairly new because I'm really scared to get another waste of time like that keyboard. Oh my god, with one hand is so difficult, guys. Alright, and this one has brown switches. I'm really scared about brown switches because I think the red one is very good, sounds very good, and yeah, it's not very noisy. Alright, so my parents did not get angry at me due to playing Helldivers all night. Yeah, I don't play Helldivers all night. Maybe, yeah, I wish. Anyways, let's open this one. The brown switches maybe are too quiet and that I don't even hear myself, so I don't know, man. Ooh. Yeah, the packaging is insane. I'm just joking, guys. It's a fucking keyboard. What the fuck do you expect? I really love PC content and whatever, but the keyboard is like the only piece of my build that I didn't change from like forever, 4 years. That's crazy, because I simply don't think it's too important as a part of the PC. But now I think I'm getting more excited about keyboard because yeah, this keyboard is actually cool. It's very small, 60%, cool noise, cool sound, how you want to call it. And my old one was enormous and very loud. Fuck it, it was disgusting, man. And my mouse continued to go on the keyboard itself and got scratched, so very bad. Anyways, yeah, the packaging is kind of the bag you get from the shopping mall, man. Disgusting. Alright, so this is the keyboard. It's exactly the same, man. I need a coffee. Shit. I want to see how it sounds. Basically, this one is the brown switches. Fuck, my stupid hand is broken, so I cannot really handle things. Brown switches and red switches. Alright. Well, I finished the memory of my stupid phone, which is an iPhone, so it's very stupid. I really hate iPhones. Really? Guys, don't buy a fucking iPhone. True suggestion. I prefer a Samsung or a Xiaomi rather than this shit. Anyways, I mean, this keyboard seems fine. Now I'm going to plug it immediately on my PC and see how it works wireless. I'm very curious. I have to say it, I'm very curious about the results, but I really expect to see very good results. You know, it's new, the other one was used, so why not? I keep you updated, maybe in the description or the comments of the video, because I intend to, you know, upload this video. And fuck it, it's only, if only the memory didn't die like that. Shit, this 1 minute to say goodbye to all of you would have been much quicker. Holy shit, now I have to even edit this video, you understand? Holy shit, look at my hair, they are disgusting, holy man. Bye bye. I really hope to not confuse the keyboards right now. Damn, I'm going to confuse them and send back the wrong one.